So it's really understanding how often those taxes are due. As long as you're filing and paying your taxes on in a timely manner, it's not an issue. Quarterly taxes are really going to consist of state unemployment tax and state income withholding, whereas that's done on a quarterly basis. And federal taxes, as far as federal income tax on an employee level, and FICA, both on employee and employer. FICA does consist of Medicare and Social Security, and that's due on a quarterly basis as well. It's really the biggest piece is understanding what type of tax liability you have, what bracket that puts you in, and how often you have to make those payments. Not only maintaining the timely payments, but also maintaining timely records. So anything that you pay and submit to the governments, you want to ensure that you have accurate records to back that up. So accurate record keeping and timely filing will help you stay in compliance. Really depending on the state that you're in, focusing on the states that you're in, getting around those legal requirements and understanding them and keeping record keeping will help you maintain your compliance and be in good standing with the state and federal governments. Everybody does it a little bit different. I think the best way to do it is on a spreadsheet basis, because it's easy to look at and it's easy to navigate, and you can kind of maybe make tabs as far as, okay, these are my quarterly payments that are due. These are my annual payments that are due. These are my monthly payments that may be due depending on how much gross payroll I have, because the frequency of your deposits is really going to depend on how much gross receipts you have. So if you can keep track of your sales revenue and your gross revenue and keep it tracked on an Excel, which is how I do it. And then you kind of just every 1st, 15th, and end of the month is when I go through my sheet and I check, hey, this is coming up, this is coming up. It helps you to prepare. So waiting till the end of a quarter to file is not the best way to do it. I think that auditing and tracking 3 times a month will help you that when it comes to quarter end, you already know that January is good, February is good, and you're just checking your last couple weeks of March and then you file. So tracking it and staying it consistent. I really do beginning, middle, and end, and that kind of helps me. So everybody does it different, but staying on top of it and not waiting to the last minute is really the best practice.